It's my Cecile Experience the Difference wig. Ooh. This is interesting. This is an Afro wig. This is like for fun. Doesn't have any funny smell. Put it on. Ha! You can rock this as an Afro wig. You can have a clown nose. Use it for parties for your children, best friend, if you do magic tricks, anything like that. Just have a lot of fun with it. With the nose, look like a clown. Or take the nose off and just look super, super, yeah. I also noticed that this wig has some shininess to it. It has like sparklies on it. A very natural glitter. I really do like the softness of it. My fingers also run through it fairly easy. Very breathable inside mesh. I really like how I can put the majority of the wig back into the mesh, turning it inside out and storing it back in its package. The package has a ziplock to keep it nice and secure, ready for its next use.